Australian retail sales rise more than expected in July. Australian retail sales rose extra than predicted in July as improved inflation and power inside the jobs marketplace stored customers' spending notwithstanding higher borrowing expenses. Preliminary statistics from the Australian Bureau of Statistics (ABS) showed on Monday that retail change in Australia rose 1.3% in July from the prior month, some distance extra than expectancies for a rise of 0.3%. Retail trade jumped at an annual fee of 16.5%. Shopping in branch stores turned into the most important contributor to the leap, the ABS said, at the same time as spending on clothing, footwear, and add-ons continued to grow. But buyers spent much less on family items, as growing inflation made them hesitate in making big purchases, which includes new home equipment. Spending on family items is at a 6-month low in the United States of America. July NRS/Quo/S reading also shows that electricity in Australian stores is possibly to increase into the third quarter, after growing progressively through the primary half of 2022. The trend gives the Reserve Bank of Australia greater self-assurance in elevating interest charges, given that client spending has up to now managed to persevere through increased inflation. The important financial institution raised quotes by means of every other 50 foundation points to 1.85% in advance this month, and signaled that more tightening became probable as inflation reaches 30-year highs. Monday NRS/Quo/S positive figures had been in all likelihood also spurred by way of energy in Australia and NRS/Quo/S jobs marketplace, with unemployment at a 48-year low within the country. Still, common boom in wages has largely lagged behind inflation this 12 months. The Australian greenback showed little response to the information, buying and selling down 0.5% at 0.6858 by way of 21:49 ET, 1:49 Greenwich Mean Time. The currency and maximum of its Asia-Pacific friends had been dented by way of power in the U.S. greenback following a hawkish message from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell ultimate week. The ABS is about to launch extra comprehensive records on retail spending on September 5.